Assalamu alaikum. So today I will discuss the same chapter which I started at last lecture. So let me start from here today. Last lecture I discussed about permutation. Okay. Permutation, and I discussed these questions. Radar, if there is word radar, then how many number of permutations can be formed from these words? Radar, unusual Mississippi. Okay. So today I will discuss this question. Look over here. This example. Today I will discuss this example. Find n if this one Pn2 equal to 72, and this question Pn4 equal to 42 multiply Pn2. Okay. If this is the question, then how to find n? Question is how to find n here, right? How to find n? This is the question. So here question is this. Let me write here. This example. Find n. Okay. Find n if number is this one. P here n2 equal to Pn2 equal to 72. Pn2 equal to 72. This is the question. Okay. So how to find n? See the solution here. How to find here n? You have to find this n. Here n modude. How to find this n? Okay. So let me solve this question. See the solution. You know, last lecture I told you what is this? The Kanun. Just you remember this Kanun. Let me write here. P n r equal to what? This equal to factorial n. This one. And divided by n minus r factorial. This is the rule. This is the number of permutations. If there are n mukhtalif elements, then how to arrange, how to tartib r elements out of n. Okay. So this is the rule last lecture I told you. This is Kanun. This way you have to find number of permutations. Okay. So I will use this rule here. P and R. So look here n mojood and R yusawi 2 mojood. So how to write this? P n2 is equal to 72. Okay. So this P n2 you will write here n factorial and divided by, see here R yusawi 2. You have to write this n nakis R. N nakis R. So hina mojood n and nakis R yani hina mojood 2. This 2. Okay. So 2 is 2 factorial. I'm using this Kanun. Okay. And this equal to here modulo 72. Now solve this. How to solve this? Look here, open this. You know, hina tahat mojood n minus 2. N minus 2 factorial. Okay. Open this factorial n. Factorial n means what? N darb n नाकिस 1 दर n नाकिस 2, okay, नाकिस 2 and baden n नाकिस 3, n नाकिस 4, n नाकिस 5 up to where? Up to wahid. So I don't want to write ज़्यादा. I want to stop here n minus 2 because in तहत मौजूद n minus 2. So stop here. So see this in a factorial. I told you. If you stop here, factorial n यानी n दर n नाकिस 1 दर n नाकिस 2. Stop here. When you stop here, in a still factorial. And how? Why stop here? Because in a तहत मौजूद n minus 2 factorial to cancel. Okay, and this equal to hina मौजूद 72, right? So this n minus 2 factorial and this n minus 2 factorial cancel. What is left here? What is left here? Bagi, hina bagi n dar n नाकिस वाहिद, and this equal to 72. Okay, hada bagi. Okay, now multiply this n dar n come n tarbiya नाकिस hada n dar नाकिस वाहिद यानी n dar नाकिस वाहिद यानी नाकिस n, and this equal to 72. Okay, after that how to solve this? Look here, n tarbiya नाकिस n and this 72 serious r. So serious r, this will be salib 72 and this equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. How to solve this? Make here factor. Tahleel. Make this factor. Here n, and this way. This factor and this factor, and this equal to 0. So what is uktub here? Here, and what is uktub here? Okay. So how to write this? How to factor this? How to factor this? See here. Let me use this rule for the factor. Tahleel. So hina मौजूद salib 72. So salib 72 uktub here. Salib 72 uktub here. Okay. And hina मौजूद salib वाहिद. hina मौजूद salib वाहिद. So salib वाहिद uktub here. Right. Salib uktub here. And baden see this hada nakis 72 break in two numbers. Break in two numbers. Lazim two numbers darb lazim salib 72. So if you write here salib tissa and darb tamaniya. Salib tissa darb tamaniya come. Salib tissa darb tamaniya. Salib 72. Okay. And baden salib tissa jama tamaniya come salib wahid hada. It means these two numbers are okay. Again, listen again. Hina मौजूद salib 72. Salib 72 break in two numbers. Okay. So how to break? Salib tissa darb tamaniya. Salib 72. And salib tissa ayat tamaniya come is salib wahid. It means these two numbers are okay. So this way you will make factor. So salib tissa uktub here. Okay. And hada mojab tamaniya uktub here. Okay. This way you make factor. This way you will make factor. Right. Okay. Clear? Okay. Muhammad Mustafa. Okay. Clear this. Right. Hassan clear. Okay. So now look here. So after that, how to solve this? N salib tissa isawi sifar or n zayed tamaniya isawi sifar. So min hina kam n isawi kam. Hina salib tissa sil yamin mojab tissa. And here n isawi kam. Hina mojab tissa yamin salib tissa or mojab tamaniya. Hina mojab tamaniya mawjood sil yamin salib tamaniya. But you remember this n I told you. This n always mojab positive number, positive integer, माफी सालिब. When I discussed P and R permutation, I told you this n is always mojab, माफी सालिब. So hina मौजूद n يساوي सालिब. So this सालिब माफी, okay? هذا موجب موجود n يساوي 9. Therefore n يساوي كم؟ n يساوي 9. هذا answer. هذا answer n يساوي 9. Right? Okay. Mustafa, Muhammad, n يساوي 9. Okay. Muhammad Hassan. Okay. Any problem here? Tell me. Any question? I will solve another question. Okay. First, if you have any problem here, then ask me. No, thanks. Okay. No problem. Clear. Okay. Now come to the next question. See the next question. Next question here. This one, number B. Number B is what here? Number B is this. Serious. Number B is this. P n4 equal to P n4 equal to 42. And the P n2. This one. Okay. P n2. This is the question. Question number B. Now you have to find n from here, right? So you know this, how to solve this. You have this rule all the time. Remember this rule: P n r is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Okay. Here this n, kullo element n and kullo element n and kullo mukhtalif, maafi repeated. Okay. Be careful. And out of n, you have to tartib r, to tartib r elements. So this is the concept. How to arrange r out of n. This is the rule. You have to remember here. So same rule I will use here. See this. Here mojud Pn4. Okay. So Pn4, how to write? How to write this Pn4? See this rule. See this rule and write here. N factorial and divided n minus come r. R yani hina mojud arba. N minus 4 factorial. And this equal to here mojud 42. And darb. Kaif uktub hada? Pn2 uktub this way, n factorial and divided by n minus 2. Here r savi 2. Here r savi 2. So n minus 2 factorial. Uktub kida. Right? Just use this rule. Okay? So hina yasar r isavi arba. And yamin hina r isavi itne. Okay? So write this one and write this one and baden hal. Okay? Baden hal. Look here. First you hal this SR. SR मौजूद है n minus 4. n minus 4 factorial मौजूद here. So कैफ उक्तुब हादा factorial n. Start from here. n dar n nakis 1 dar n nakis 2 dar n nakis 3 and dar n nakis 4 and stop here. n4 stop here. So stop here, seal hina factorial. Okay. And why stop here n minus 4? Because hina मौजूद है n minus 4 factorial to cancel. And this equal to C hina. यमीन hina मौजूद 42. दर hina तहत मौजूद n minus 2 factorial. So كيف اكتب هذا n factorial اكتب n ضرب n ناقص 1 ضرب n ناقص 2 n stop here n ناقص 2. So stop here still هنا factorial. Why stop here? Because هنا تحت موجود n minus 2 factorial to cancel. So SR هنا cancel n minus 4. Okay, and هنا cancel n minus 2 n minus 2. Right. Now look, come bagi hina n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3. SR bagi hada, and yamin kam bagi 42 dar n minus 1 hada bagi yamin. Right, yamin bagi this, yamin bagi this. Now come to next point. See this, hina kullu darb hada kullu darb, hina kullu darb hada darb. Okay, hina n मौजूद, so this n and this n cancel, right, because darb kullu. Okay, hina n minus 1 मौजूद, so hada n minus 1 cancel, right. So hina आगे hina मौजूद n minus 2 and hina मौजूद n minus 3, and yusawi come here 42. Okay, now darb hada, see n darb n कम n तरबिया, and बादेन n darb सालिब तलाता कम, n darb सालिब तलाता कम, सालिब तलाता n. Okay, and बादेन darb hada सालिब इतनेन darb n कम, सालिब इतनेन n, and बादेन सालिब इतनेन darb सालिब तलाता कम, सालिब इतनेन darb सालिब तलाता कम, मोजब सित्ता. Right, and this one hada 42 seal SR, so 42 is hina salib 42 SR, and this equal to 0. Okay, this is okay. Now look here n tarbiya and hina salib talata n and salib itne n kam, salib talata jama salib itne kam, salib khamsa, so salib talata n and salib itne n yani salib khamsa n. Okay, and hada kam salib 42 jama mojab sitta kam bagi hina, tell me. Salib 36 is okay, this equal to 0. Salib 36, yes, salib 36. And what is this? Minus 5 and okay, and minus 1, yeah, yes, right. Now look here, after that what to do? Same rule, make factor here, make factor. Here uktub n, this one, here uktub n and this one, and this equal to 0. So how to make factor? Again look over here, see the rule, use this rule. Hina मौजूद सालिब 36, so सालिब 36 here, and hina मौजूद सालिब 5, so सालिब 5 उक्तब here, right, सालिब 5 here. So F उक्तब hina सालिब 36 break in two numbers, सालिब 36 break in two numbers. So here I will take सालिब 3 and mojab arba. Okay, सालिब 3 दर अरबा कम सालिब 36. Okay, and now सालिब 3 जमा अरबा कम सालिब 5. It means these two numbers are okay. Okay, so सालिब 3 उक्तब here and this موجب 4 أكتوبية. This okay or not? Tell me. Yes, right. So now look here. From here, n minus 9 يساوي 0 or n plus 4 equal to 0. This one, right? So from here what? هنا سالب 9 C اليمين n يساوي 9 and from here n يساوي هنا موجب 4 C اليمين سالب 4. Now look, but you have to remember all the time here n always موجب n माफी سالب. When I discussed permutation I told you n and r موجب integer, n and r موجب integer all the time. So n موجب, okay. So n موجب يعني هذا n يساوي سالب माफी هذا sir, okay. Therefore n equal to 9 هذا answer. n يساوي 9 هذا answer, okay. هذا answer. It's right or not? Yes, 9. Mustafa, Abdullah Sabir, okay. Muhammad. Where are others? Bas Mustafa, Muhammad, Nasir. Abdullah, Hassan, yes, clear. Clear. So clear, okay. Right. Clear. So now come to the next question. Come to the next. See the next question. Okay. Okay. So here A, B, and here one question is Mojit. See. Now this question also there. You know, okay. This C. Look over here. C Mojit. Ada. इतनेन दर Pn2 plus 50 يساوي P2N2. Okay, right? This question. इतनेन दर Pn2. So let me write this. इतनेन दर Pn2. See this question. Question number C. इतनेन दर Pn2. Let me write this question here. Look over here. Question number C. Question is this. इतनेन दर Pn2. Sorry, इतनेन दर Pn2 plus हिना मौजूद 50. And this equal to P2N2 here, 2N2, right? So again, I will use this rule. This rule, remember this, P n r equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, okay? So again, I will use this rule. So look here, hina mojud itne, so leave it. So father, Pn2, कैफ तो Pn2 by using this कानून Pn2 यानी here n factorial n divided by है ना r यसावी इतने So R يساوي 2. So كيف اكتب n minus 2 factorial. Okay. and زائد 50 هنا موجود. زائد هذا موجود 50 here. and this equal to, see here, come to this, هنا موجود P2n هذا. Okay. so هنا n يساوي كم here n يساوي كم here n يساوي 2n ما في n 2n. so هذا is n هذا n here n يساوي this 2n n يساوي 2n and r يساوي كم r يساوي هذا 2. okay. so مكان n هنا مكان n اكتب هذا 2n مكان n اكتب 2n. so هنا factorial n يعني مكان n اكتب هذا 2n. okay. so 2n factorial here because مكان n موجود 2n, right. and आला कम here n नाकिस r यानी मकान n उक्तुब 2n and नाकिस r यानी हादा r यानी 2 नाकिस 2 this one factorial n. see this okay or not? هنا मकान n मौजूद 2n, so मकान n उक्तुब 2n हादा. okay. is it clear or not? yes, clear, right. so now look, now use this. here मौजूद 2 दर هنا सब तहत कम मौजूद n minus 2 factorial मौजूद है. okay. so उक्तुब this, open this n factorial यानी n दर n नाकिस 1 दर कम दर n नाकिस 2 and stop here n नाकिस 2. so stop here still هنا factorial. why stop here? because هنا तहत मौजूद n minus 2 factorial. okay. and بعدين هذا زائد 50 زائد هنا 50 and this equal to, now so هنا तहत कम मौजूद इतनेन नाकिस इतनेन factorial इतनेन नाकिस इतनेन factorial. so start उक्तुब हादा 2n factorial क्या उक्तुब अव्वल उक्तुब 2n दर 2n नाकिस 1 بعدين दर 2n नाकिस 2. stop here. why stop here? stop here and seal in a factorial. this is the rule. you start mean hina start 2n because hina 2n kamil factorial here. so start here 2n darb 2n nakis 1 darb 2n nakis 2 darb 2n nakis 3 darb 2n nakis 4 like that up to wahid. okay. but here tahat mawjood 2n nakis 2 factorial. so stop here 2n nakis 2 and seal hina factorial to cancel. It's okay or not? Tell me. Yes, good. Now look here. Here n minus 2 factorial and here fog n minus 2 factorial you can see. Here 2n minus 2 factorial and here 2n minus 2 factorial you can see. Okay. So bagi kam आला हिना बागी इतनेन दर्ब n दर्ब n नाकिस 1 and जायद कम जायद in हिना बागी and हिना कम बागी हिना बागी इतनेन n दर्ब इतनेन n नाकिस वाहिद आधा बागी. okay. now multiply here दर्ब कुल्लो अव्वल दर्ब here. so look here मौजूद इतनेन दर्ब अव्वल हादा n दर्ब n कम n तरबिया and this n दर्ब नाकिस वाहिद कम नाकिस n सह and हिना मौजूद बर्रा कामिल 50 and this equal to what? Look here. Hina मौजूद 2n. So this 2n ضرب 2n कम 2n ضرب 2n 2 ضرب 2 यानी 4 and n ضرب n यानी n तरबिया and بعدين नाकिस this 2n ضرب नाकिस वाहिद कम 2n ضرب नाकिस वाहिद यानी नाकिस 2n. Okay, and now look here. هنا موجود 2n 2 here موجود 2 and ضرب كامل. So 2 ضرب n तरबिया कम 2n तरबिया हाँ 2 नाकिस n यानी नाकिस 2n, right? and هنا موجود زائد 50. Okay, now هذا. So what to do? هنا موجود 4n तरबिया यमीन सील यसार. So यसार هذا कम मौजूद यसार सालिब 4n तरबिया and هنا موجود सालिब 2n सालिब 2n सील यसार. तो सालिब यानी यसार मौजब 2n and هنا यमीन बागी 0. Serious. It's okay or not? So here, okay, yes. Now look, here मौजूद सालिब 2n and here मौजूद मौजब 2n. Cancel. सालिब 2n मौजब 2n नफ्सो and इशारा मुख्तलिफ यानी कैंसिल. ओके, and हिना मौजूद रुक 2n तरबिया नाकिस 4n तरबिया. सो 2n नाकिस 4 कम नाकिस 2n तरबिया आधा. सो 2n तरबिया नाकिस 4n तरबिया कम नाकिस 2n तरबिया आधा मौजब मौजब 2n तरबिया नाकिस 4n तरबिया बागी नाकिस 2n तरबिया, राइट. हिना कम मौजूद मौजब 50 मौजब 50. ओके, and this equal to कम. now look and this इसावी हिना मौजूद 0 आधा मौजूद 0 इसावी, राइट. सो بعدين आधा सालिब 2n तरबिया सिर हिना यमीन. so what will happen? यसार मौजूद 50 and सालिब 2n तरबिया सील यमीन. तो सालिब कम ही here 2n मौजब 2n तरबिया सालिब 2n यमीन मौजब 2n तरबिया. okay, so this means what? This means here 2n तरबिया यसावी 50 आधा हिना मौजूद 2n दर हिना मौजूद 2n. तो तकसीम कुल्लो 2n तरबिया डिलीट 2n delete 2n here 50 ala 2n. so here 2n cancel and here come बागी 50 ala 2 25. so hina n तरबिया यसावी 25. okay, so now look n तरबिया is 25. delete this तरबिया. if delete तरबिया mean hina n यसावी कम तरबिया delete then hina is the मौजब सालिब and जदर 25 आधा rule. if this तरबिया delete then hina is the मौजब सालिब जदर 25. okay, and this यसावी कम मौजब सालिब जदर 25 यानी कम 5 हमसा. but you know n all the time mojab n mafi salib. okay, but you know this, but n always mojab. therefore answer is this n is having mojab khamsa in a two value mojab khamsa and salib khamsa. so n mafi salib n all the time mojab. so n is having mojab khamsa. hada answer. This is the answer. okay, n is having khamsa. yes, clear. Muhammad, Abdullah, Mustafa, yeah, 100%. 100%. Okay, good, very good. So this n equal to 5, right? Now come to another question. See this. What is the next? Okay, so next is this combination. Next, this one, combination. So far you have studied permutation. Okay. Now you have to study these combinations. Combinations. Okay. So what is combination? Let me explain here. Suppose we have collection of n objects. Kullu kam n objects, n elements. A combination of these objects taken R. How many taken R at a time is any selection of R. Okay, of these objects where order does not count. यानी order हिना माफी जरूरी माफी count. Okay, it means what? If you have total n, kullu n object, and you have to select R, you have to select R from anywhere. Order is not count here. This order is maafi zaruri. Select R from anywhere, from n objects. Kullu n and select, choose R. Mean n, kullu n, mean n, choose R. But here order maafi zaruri. From where? Okay. This is called combination. But over, when you studied permutation, their order lazim, how to select, in which order select. Okay, but here order maafi zaruri. If total n, kullu n, then choose R. Choose R mean n. Okay, and this is called combination. So thus it is denoted by this way, NCR, and defined by this. Total n, choose R. So this is called combination, and this is this way. Factorial n ala n nakis R factorial and the factorial R. Okay, just you can you remember this? This is same this is same n combination R, binomial coefficient, same kanun here, combination. Okay, so let me write here. Combination means, say this, combination. Combination means if you have this, if you have total n object, okay, total n, okay, and you choose R, choose R, choose R mean hina, mean n, from n, okay, and here order maafi count, order maafi zaruri, okay, then how to choose R mean n, that is called combination. Okay, combination of n objects. Okay, and you will denote like that. n total here n and بعدين c combination يعني c and here اكتب r NCR and this يساوي كم how to write n factorial هذا قانون and تحت اكتب n minus r factorial and here the r factorial this one you see the same قانون هذا same قانون here this هذا كم the same like that n factorial and divided by n minus r factorial and the r factorial. This is binomial coefficient n combination r. Okay, so hada and hada same kanun. Look here. Okay, right. So combination means if total element मौजूद n, शामिल n, कुल्लो n, and mean n you have to choose r. Order माफी count. Okay, then how to choose? You will choose like that. This is the rule. Okay, so see the question. Remember this rule and see the question. Question is here. Do this. This is the question. If you simplify this example, simplify this number A, simplify this. Number A is this and number B this one. So look over here, number A. How to solve number A? Here number A मौजूद n factorial ala n minus 1 factorial. Okay. How to solve this? Look, first Yusuf तहत कम मौजूद? तहत मौजूद n नाकिस वाहिद factorial هذا मौजूद. So break this n open. كيف اكتب n factorial n كيف اكتب n the n नाकिस 1 this way. Okay, and तहत मौजूद n नाकिस 1 factorial. So stop here and see factorial to cancel. So this n नाकिस 1 factorial and तहत n नाकिस 1 factorial cancel. So هذا باقي كم? This يساوي n. So هذا يساوي n. Answer n. See here. Right? This is the answer. Okay. Okay. So next lecture I will discuss more questions. Today I will stop here. Right? This B and other questions I will discuss at next lecture. Today I will stop here. Any problem up to here? Okay. Now, do you know about exam? اختبار واحد mid one. أنت मालूम?